Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Amanda. For those of you who have been with us for a while, welcome back. Today we are doing something fall related because it's fall time and y'all know what that means. So, in the spirit of it being fall season and officially spooky season, I wanted to do a look inspired by fall leaves. I love the colors that the trees change. In Edmonton, we don't get as much of that true fall changeover in the leaves, but where I'm from in Ontario, you really see it in the city, especially when you're up on a really high building. So I really wanted to bring you a look that's almost fiery. It looks pretty flamey, but I really wanted to bring you a look that was inspired by those fall leaf colors. So if you want to see how we got this look, then just keep on watching. Today we're going to be using the James Charles X Morphe palette, and the numbers will appear on the screen in the order we'll be using them. Alright everyone, so starting with B on a Morphe M537 brush, we are just applying that to the crease in little circular motions. I wanted this to be a really fluffy brush to really diffuse that outer edge to help create that gradient later on. Next, we're just blending that out with an M433 brush. And just really gently here. You want to barely be touching your eye. That way you can make sure that you really soften those edges and really diffuse the color. Now on a Morphe M411 brush, we're taking 518 and applying that to the outer V. We're going to bring this into the crease as well, just using patting motions to really intensify that orange color. You don't want to completely cover up the yellow here. We're just going to make sure that it's in the crease. And now we're just going to blend that out with that same 433 brush. And then just going back with a little bit more of B to make sure that that yellow stays nice and intense. Next on a Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush, I'm taking You're Kidding and patting that on the outer corner. We're going to really keep this on the outer corner. You don't want it in the crease, you just want it on the lid. Then we're just going to diffuse that with an M433. Next, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm using my Morphe M224 brush to do that. And I'm using a little bit of my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer to do that as well. I'm just patting and pulling downwards to create the cut crease shape. Next, I'm just going back in with a little bit more of You're Kidding and really just patting that on the edge of the crease that I just cut to really soften and blend that in. Here I'm just perfecting the shape of the cut crease because I felt like it wasn't quite far enough in there, so I wanted to bring it in a little bit further. And then just going back over with You're Kidding again. And just softening that up with an M433. You want this to be really hazy so that when we add our lid color, the transition is very smooth. Next, on Morphe M124 brush, I'm taking Ring Light and applying that to the area where we cut the crease. I really wanted something shimmery that had that yellow element in to tie in with the rest of the eye. And just applying a little bit of face to the brow bone as well. Next, on a Morphe E37 brush, we're taking Your Kidding and taking that along the lower lash line. And then we're going in with 518 and applying that with a Morphe M32 brush. And just finishing that off with B on a 230 Luxe pencil brush from Zoeva. Now I'm just applying my Milk Makeup Kush Volume Mascara, really wiggling that at the base of my lashes to give me some extra volume. And then just on the lower lashes as well. And I just did my other eye off camera. So now we're using the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Spice Girl and applying that from the outer corners and working our way in as we always do to really help with an even application. Alright guys, and this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I tried to do some different things with it. I know that the main part of it was pretty much the same, but I'm just experimenting with filming. If you didn't see my Instagram post, I've linked it down below for you. We're gonna be switching from Fridays to Sundays because I work sometimes on Saturdays, but always Monday to Friday. So this way I have a chance to be able to actually answer your questions or your comments. It gives me a chance to really actually spend some time with you guys when I'm doing a video. So we're gonna be putting videos out on Sundays, not Fridays. So we're making a schedule change. This will be easier for me, a little bit more maintainable, and that way also I have a chance to film when I come back from work on Saturdays if I haven't had a chance to film this week. My makeup portions of the videos don't take as long to edit, so I can film something and get it edited and ready to go up on Sunday when I wake up in the morning easier than I can on a Friday. So I want to make sure that I'm able to spend time with you guys in the comments, hence the schedule change. Anyways, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to become a little part of our family here on YouTube. As always, products are listed in the description box below. If you would like to see more of my content, make sure you ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!